Question number 19. One of the earliest known maps is a Babylonian clay tablet thought to be almost 4,500 years old. The map blank the area of a plot of land, shows a river valley, and includes the cardinal directions. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? Is it A. describes, B. described, C. have described, or D. are describing? Choice A. describes is the best answer. The convention being tested is the use of verb forms. Use of verb forms within a sentence. The singular verb describes agrees in number with the singular subject map. So map is the singular subject and describes is the singular verb. Choice B is incorrect because the plural verb describe doesn't agree in number with the singular subject map. C is incorrect because the plural verb have described doesn't agree in number with the singular subject map. Choice D is also incorrect because the plural verb are describing doesn't agree in number with the singular subject map. B, C, D all are plural verbs. Only A describes is the singular verb which is needed to describe the singular subject.